Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly connect Zoominfo to HubSpot so you can supercharge your sales and marketing efforts in 2025. Whether you want enriched contact data, better lead insights, or automated workflows, this guide has got you covered. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a tip to make sure your integration runs flawlessly every time. First, let's understand why connecting Zoominfo to HubSpot is a game changer. Zoominfo provides real-time, accurate contact and company data, while HubSpot helps you manage your leads, deals, and marketing campaigns. Integrating them means your HubSpot CRM is always up to date with verified information, saving you time and boosting your outreach effectiveness. Prepare your accounts. Before you start, make sure you have active accounts for both Zoominfo and HubSpot. In HubSpot, you need admin access to enable integrations. On Zoominfo, ensure your subscription allows API access for integrations. Access HubSpot Marketplace, log into HubSpot, go to the Marketplace, and search for Zoominfo integration. Click Connect App. HubSpot will prompt you to authorize the connection, grant permission to allow data flow between Zoominfo and HubSpot. Configure your integration settings. Once connected, it's time to set up how data moves between platforms. You can choose whether to sync contacts, companies, or both. Decide if you want one-way sync from Zoominfo to HubSpot or two-way sync to keep everything updated automatically. Map your fields. This step is crucial. Map the Zoominfo fields like name, email, company, and phone to their corresponding fields in HubSpot. Proper field mapping ensures that all your enriched data lands in the right place in your CRM, avoiding duplicates or missing information. Test and automate. Before going live, test your integration with a small batch of contacts. Make sure data syncs correctly and all fields appear as expected. Once you're confident, activate automatic syncing so every new lead or update in Zoominfo reflects instantly in HubSpot. And that's it. Connecting Zoominfo to HubSpot is that simple, but the results are huge. You now have enriched, accurate data flowing directly into your CRM, making your sales and marketing smarter and faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a guide that can supercharge your business tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.